While on patrol near the Flippin' Bypass on Highway 62, officers spotted a white Ford Fusion speeding at 80 miles per hour in a 55 zone. The driver briefly slowed, only to gun it moments later, turning onto back roads and even cutting across a field to avoid pursuit. In a dangerous turn, he nearly collided with an oncoming box truck before swerving back onto the highway toward Flippin', Arkansas.
Adam Lincoln Young, 18 AOY, 18 Harrison, he just brake checked me. I run into the rear of him. We're passing Sonic and Flippin' 77. Crossing the field, headed north.
See if Marion County's getting to any closer. I don't want to well.
Turning on 202. He's turned back towards Texas. Have a unit set up by the school if they can and keep them controlled through the school zone.
As speeds topped 80 miles per hour, officers attempted a TVI to stop the driver, but he slammed his brakes, causing a collision before accelerating into Flippin' city limits at double the speed limit. Swerving and braking erratically, the suspect took evasive turns, even circling a field to shake police. Eventually, he was boxed in and stopped with a final TVI maneuver. Identified as William Jared Allison, he was taken to the hospital with minor injuries and faced multiple felony charges, including attempted murder, reckless driving, and DWI. On February 23, 2023, a routine patrol turned intense when officers spotted an orange Range Rover with mismatched tags. Ignoring lights and sirens, the driver floored it, reaching over 120 miles per hour on I-540, weaving through medians and forcing cars off the road. With speeds climbing, backup closed in.
We're northbound on 271 from 540, 1037. It's on an orange Land Rover, Range Rover. It's a Range Rover. Fictitious tags.
Okay, you're going to be coming up on a sharp turn to the south.
Yeah, we're going around those.
10-4.
Good sign down there, Clear Creek, in a curve. People were approaching.
Page 4 copy approaching Clear Creek.
County Police, 117.
10-4-117.
H1, back down there, he's going to set up Hammer Road. Hammer Road, 122. Then we're just past Clear Creek.
5 past Clear Creek.
That's where he got the North Euclid Highway.
Or there was highway, this one.
North Ridge.
Going up the bridge or down this one.
Good fight.
It's 5, 10 points.
Still northbound.
Still northbound, 10, 40, hang on. Or you have to have hangar. Approaching right about. Second target.
Are you going with Eddie? Yeah, I guess.
Shit! Give me your hand!
Traffic, what are we stopping here? Main Street,
As the chase entered Crawford County, spike strips were deployed, slowing the suspect down. Finally stopping on HY 162, the driver, Travis Bailey, bolted from the car. Officers caught up, deploying a taser to subdue him and take him into custody after a brief struggle.